Hi, and welcome to this 5-minute session, Shielding the Language Model, Architecting AI Security in Microsoft Foundry. This is me, Surya Ramesh. I'm an independent data consultant and educator. And in this video, we're going to have a look at the risk aspects of AI agents and ways of protecting our system. We are taking a massive leap from generative AI that can talk, write, and create to one that can act for us. They can trigger APIs, query live databases, and they can learn from the past by managing their memory. This jump can be a total game changer, but we need to think about how we approach security. As the wise saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. And AI agents are not just more powerful software, they introduce a completely different class of risk with vulnerabilities that are far more complex, far less predictable, and fundamentally unlike anything that we had to secure before. The Open Web Application Security Project, you probably know them as OWASP, they have put together a top list of risks specifically associated for these applications. It's an essential field guide for this new territory. And it shows just how dangerous things can get. For example, do you know about issues that can come across due to excessive agency or memory poisoning? If you want to know more about these, leave a comment below and I can create another video for it. So how do we build guardrails when one tiny vulnerability can bring down the whole system? There is a really clear blueprint from the National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, that gives us a very useful frameworks. It has 4 core functions: govern, map, measure, and manage. Let's look at how we can practically apply these framework tools inside the Microsoft Foundry ecosystem. First is govern. You can use Microsoft Entra Agent ID to give every single agent its own unique auditable identity. And this is the foundation of the zero trust approach. You also need to ensure that high impact actions always require a human to sign off. Second, we map, where you define the agent's entire surface area. You can lock down exactly which APIs and data an agent is allowed to access. So you can even isolate an agent inside its own virtual network to stop any dangerous lateral movement that can happen. Third, we measure. Before you deploy, you must absolutely stress test your system. The Azure AI Foundry Red Teaming Agent can be used to run adversarial testing, basically simulating attacks to see if your agent can be manipulated. You also want to set up automated pipelines to measure groundness so that your agent stays on script without hallucinating and tests its resilience against malicious code injections when it is using tools as well. And finally, manage. This is your real-time active defense. And Azure AI Content Safety can act like a bodyguard. Microsoft Defender for AI can monitor threats in real time. And you can use open source libraries to automatically find and scrub sensitive data like PII before it is even processed. We often think of governance as a brake on innovation, but in this new world of autonomous agents, it is the exact opposite. It's the accelerator. By using the framework like NIST to build a solid trust boundary, you give your organization the confidence to innovate safely and truly unlock the potential of this technology. Thank you for listening and follow me on LinkedIn and on YouTube for more such content.